What is up, everyone? You are not gonna believe what I have running on my phone right now. This is the full version of My Summer Car, the ultimate car building and survival game, playing right here in my hands. The graphics look just as incredible as they do on PC, and I'm literally building this entire engine using only my thumbs. And yep, no controller, just pure touch screen. It feels surprisingly smooth and responsive for a game this complex. I'm honestly blown away. So, you're probably asking how this is even possible. While scrolling through aplovo.com, I found this post about My Summer Car, and I had to try it. It immediately caught my eye because it showed how the game can run on a mobile device, breaking down the whole setup visually. After seeing that, I knew I had to check it out for myself. But okay, enough talk. Let's jump back to some gameplay so you can see how clean this looks. I'm seriously impressed. Being able to work on my car and cause a little chaos in the Finnish countryside, all from my phone, is just wild. The performance is solid, the graphics are crisp. It's the full PC experience. If this blew your mind too, drop a like, subscribe for more mobile content, and comment the next game I should test. Let's see what else we can get running.